Man, one of my favorite styles of all times. 8 top, 8 bottom, sterling silver, diamond dust with sunburst cuts on each tooth. Deemed by my incredible people on the internet as the snowfall set. Absolute shine, boy. Shinage going on right here, huh? Straight up nuts. I appreciate everybody for tapping in, for supporting the team, the page, the website, all of that, man. Our business is as busy as it's ever been, and that's thanks to you guys. So shout out to everybody out there, man, that been telling the people about us, man, that been just showing us so much incredible love and support for what we do. And shout out to the people that call us and show us respect and, you know, just tap in, man. It's nothing but love, guys, and we appreciate every last sale that we received. If there's any issues with your orders, guys, it's always going to come down to the mold kits. Always, especially with Grillz. Always going to come down to the mold kits. If you need help with your mold kits, we can guide you through that and make it a lot more easier process for you. And always just give us a call, guys. Always just give us a call. It's the easiest way to reach us, and it's the best, most respectful way to communicate. Via text is not going to work because we are doing so many orders. Don't have time, to be texting all day. I mean that positively, not necessarily all day, but just every day. It's like it's a constant. But these things are about $5.97 on the website right now. If you order today, I can get you that 10% off code. We do have a special going on this week. It's a 10% off joint, so holla at your boy and we will get you in there. That's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Everybody out there, man, we appreciate you for supporting us. Have a blessed week, all right? 100.